Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this course. My name is Steve Maxwell, and since 1988, I've been helping people become more self-reliant with home improvements and home renovations. This course is all about patching flaws in drywall and masking before interior painting happens. Patching drywall and masking lays the essential groundwork for any good interior painting job, and it's also an excellent way to save money, as long as you know what you're doing, that is. This course lays out all the groundwork you need to succeed at wall patching and masking. Patching and wall prep skills aren't just for people who do their own painting. Even if you plan to hire a painter, it still makes sense for you to do this work yourself. It'll save the painter time and hassle, and that means it'll save you money. And besides, few professional painters like wall prep anyway. Wall prep is one of those things that can be difficult to do if you don't understand the tricks, but easy when you understand the essentials. And that's where this course comes in. I'll show you exactly how to get professional grade results with basic wall prep and masking tasks, even if you've never done it before. After taking this course, you'll know how to choose the essential tools for assembling your own wall patching kit. Patch those pesky and annoying nail holes in 3 quick steps. Fix drywall screw pops at least as well as any professional drywaller. Understand the difference between drywall compound, wall spackle, and setting type wall compounds. Patch holes as big or round as a walnut, using nothing more than 2 hand tools, spackle, and a sanding sponge. Repair damaged areas larger than a walnut using strips of wood as backing supports. Apply critical fine-tuning steps to all patched areas before repainting. Choose proper masking tape for different applications. Apply masking tape so you get super crisp painted results just like a pro. Use masking tape to virtually guarantee perfectly crisp results when caulking around bathtubs, windows, doors, and anywhere else. So join me now and let's get started learning exactly how to prep your walls and mask just like a pro.